It started probably when I was in grammar school. I have always had issues with runny nose, stuffiness. If the wind blows and there's an allergen in it, I'm sneezing 50 times, and it just doesn't stop. I used to go through a box of tissues every couple of days, and it was just brutal. Couldn't do half the things I wanted to do outdoors, because if the wind blew, I was in trouble. I probably lived like that for over 40 years, waking up in the morning like there was a deluge coming out of my nose. It was like that all those years. I thought everybody was like that and wondered, why aren't they sneezing 50 times? But now I know it wasn't so normal. My doctor said, you really shouldn't have to suffer like this. There was new technology called RhinAer, and my doctor said it could work for me. So I jumped on the opportunity because if something can help, I'm all in. From what my doctor said, it is a device that they go into the nose and they do an ablation on the nerve, and that's what stops the runny nose and the inflammation and the sneezing. The day of the procedure I went in, I was an absolute nervous wreck. They had to numb my nose. Once I was numb, that was fine. I didn't feel much. And they were doing the ablation. It was pressure. Just pressure and, having stuff stuck in your nose. It only took about 20 minutes for the procedure. He said to take it easy the rest of that day. The next day I was back to normal. I didn't have any limitations or anything. I was using nasal spray saline to keep things moist, but other than that, I was able to go to the gym. I was able to do all the things that I would normally do. After about 2 weeks, I started to notice that I wasn't sneezing as much, and then when I went back to the doctor after a month, he was like, so, how do you feel? And I said, well, my allergies are seasonal, so I wasn't sure if it was the RhinAer or the seasonal allergies, but I can tell you now, it was definitely the RhinAer. I've gone through fall, I've gone through spring, flowers are blooming, grass is blooming, melaleuca is blooming, and I am not sneezing, I am not blowing my nose is not running all over the place. It's just amazing. I feel like I can live again and do the things that I like to do. I can go outdoors, I can walk, I can just do just about everything without having to carry a box of tissues and stop every 10 minutes to blow my nose and avoid people when I'm sneezing. What I would say to someone who is contemplating having this done, do it. Do not think twice about it. It was the best thing that I ever did. I've had the same box of tissues in the car for over a month, and I'm not the one using it, which is really nice. So it's a big difference, big difference.